So this will be the koi pond here. It has a water features right over there, and that's the main door and the parking lot that you can park up to 6 cars, and that is the going to the first bedroom, second bedroom, and the main bedroom. And this is the two bedrooms for the guest bedrooms that has, this is the first guest bedroom and this is the other first guest bedroom. So we will just check this one. And we have here like the storage room, and you also have here the shower and the CR. So this is a twin bedroom. You have twin guest bedrooms. It's the same, I guess. So this is the foyer, and you have the accessories there, the drawers, and this is going to the swimming pool and the kitchen, the main kitchen, since we have like 3 kitchens in this room, in this house. And let's check the main entrance. So you have a garden here, and you have a storage room there. This is the entrance of the house, and this can park up, up to 6 cars, including the outside. You can park additional 2 cars outside. So this is the facade of the house. This house is located here in Maria Luisa in Banilad, Cebu City. So this is the facade of the house. Let's go to the main bedroom of the house. First bedroom. Ano nga po? Second bedroom. And this is the main bedroom. Main bedroom with balcony. And you can see right over here below is the swimming pool. And those are your views, neighborhoods, and the mountains. Let's check the main bedroom, toilet, and bathroom. So this is the toilet and bathroom of the closet of the master's bedroom. The showers, toilets, and you have the sauna, toilet, and bathtub, and shower, and the sauna. Here's the sauna. And this is the bathroom area. And we have here the entertainment room of the master's bedroom. This is the regular bathroom with toilet and bathroom. Let's go to the another level of the house. And you have this intricate details of the wall design. So there's a little bit of noise. Actually, it's a real noise because everything the cabinetry is making here inside. So that's why there's a noise, a grinder. Grinding those cabinets. Let's try to go down. I think here is the access. Let's go. It's your kitchen. So that's the kitchen, that's the swimming pool area, and that's the guest rooms, two guest rooms, and there are two bedrooms over there, and the master's bedroom, and this is going to the living area or the entertaining area. Let's go. So Palika Militia is making here, that's why it's very noisy. It's another bedroom here. Bedroom with balcony and toilet and bathroom. So this is the sixth bedroom that we checked. On the upper floor or the second floor of the house, there are three bedrooms. The first and second regular bedrooms, both with toilet and bathroom, and the master's bedroom with toilet and bathroom, entertainment room, and balcony. And on the ground floor, we have two guest rooms, and this is on the first floor on under the ground floor. This is the first bedroom here. So this is the sixth bedroom that we checked. And this is going to the pool facilities. right above is the swimming pool. So we can check here the pool pumps. So at the back is the swimming pool right here. We can check the pool there. And so far we have checked the main kitchen because we have another two kitchens that we can check. And we also check the guest rooms, the two guest rooms, and the one main bedroom and the two regular rooms. So let's go another level. So let's this is going to the garage. So this is the third level of the house. That is going to the garage. That is going to the sixth bedroom.